Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. Tufting guns have revolutionized the world of textile crafting, providing both professionals and hobbyists with a convenient and efficient tool for creating intricate designs on various fabric surfaces. These handheld devices, equipped with a series of needles, enable users to quickly and accurately insert yarn, thread, or other materials into fabric, resulting in beautifully tufted patterns. Whether used for upholstery, rug making, or embellishing clothing, tufting guns offer unparalleled versatility and speed, making them indispensable for artisans seeking to bring their creative visions to life. As demand for tufting guns continues to rise, manufacturers have developed a diverse array of options, each boasting unique features and capabilities. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 tufting guns on the market, highlighting their key attributes and helping you find the perfect tool to enhance your crafting endeavors. Number 5. MFLY TD01 Cut Pile TD02 Loop Pile Tufting Gun. The MFLY TD01 Cut Pile TD02 Loop Pile Tufting Gun is a powerful and versatile tool for any tufting enthusiast or professional. With its electric operation and adjustable settings, it offers precise control and excellent performance for creating cut pile or loop pile designs with ease. One of the standout features of this tufting gun is its adjustable speed range, which allows users to tailor the stitching speed to their specific project requirements. Whether you're working on intricate details or larger areas, you can adjust the speed from 5 to 40 stitches per second, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Number 4. XMSJ Cut Pile Loop Pile Tufting Gun. The XMSJ 2-in-1 electric tufting gun is a versatile and efficient tool for creating cut pile and loop pile carpets and rugs. With its powerful motor and adjustable settings, it offers users the flexibility to customize their projects according to their preferences. Here's a detailed review of its features and performance. The tufting gun boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. Weighing just 3 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during use. The compact size further adds to its portability, allowing users to work on projects conveniently. Number 3. KACSOO Cut Pile Loop Pile Tufting Gun. When it comes to crafting intricate designs or adding texture to fabrics, the KACSOO 2-in-1 electric tufting gun has become an indispensable tool in my arsenal. This innovative device, under the brand name XMSJ, promises versatility and precision, and it certainly delivers. Firstly, let's talk about its design. Compact and lightweight at just 3 pounds, this tufting gun is highly portable, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable usage even during extended periods of operation. Number 2. DY12-ZQ-III Tufting Gun. The DY12-ZQ-III Tufting Gun is a versatile and powerful tool that revolutionizes the carpet and textile industry. With its robust construction and advanced features, this tufting gun offers unmatched performance for both cut pile and loop pile applications. First and foremost, the build quality of the DY12-ZQ-III is exceptional. Made from high-quality materials, it feels sturdy and durable in hand. At 3,000 grams, it strikes a balance between being lightweight for maneuverability and heavy enough for stability during operation. Number 1. TD01 Tufting Gun. The TD01 Tufting Gun is a game-changer for anyone in the textile industry, offering efficiency, versatility, and ease of use. As a user who has had the opportunity to work with this electric tufting gun, I can confidently attest to its exceptional performance and numerous advantages. One of the standout features of the TD01 is its adaptability to various voltage ranges, accommodating both 100 V and 220 volts. This flexibility ensures that users can seamlessly integrate the tufting gun into their workspace without worrying about voltage compatibility issues. Additionally, the low power consumption of 70 W, coupled with the included safe protection features like overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, guarantee a secure and reliable operation. Thanks for watching this video.